Well, we get at it again. It's been a while since I had an install. Got one I got to do. I'm here at my RV setting it all up. I've already got the equipment programmed. And the RV that I got to install it is right over there. I can see it from sitting here. I don't think this is going to be a quarter. Nope, no such luck. Nope. So I'm going to go ahead and mount the wire and the CPE on the pole. I mean, it is so close that I don't even have to take the car. I just walk it over. The tools I need to install it, I can put in my pocket, except my drill. But other than that, everything else will fit in my pocket. It don't take much to put one in, at least in my case, of how it has to be set up. Now some other locations may be more dramatic, more unusual, unique, the way it has to be mounted, but mine is pretty much mount a pole on a 6x6, pointing it in the right direction, have it programmed, and it should all light up. It's going to be connected to the new tower that I have in the park. And I have helped the owner of the park to install his security cameras throughout the park. Now that I got the second tower up and running, got the fiber ran to it, his cameras are all nice and working. I was thinking about recording all that, but he was there. Him being there is not the problem recording, but him and I had some nice topic conversations that I really got into of talking to him about, and camera was the last thing on my mind of dealing with or using. So there'll be no video of that now. It just I think it was 4 cameras we put up. But let me get this put on here, run the wire, walk over, and then get this installed. Then I should be able to come back to my RV, log into WISP, and be sure the equipment is actually coming online. It's online now, but the CPE is so far from the tower, and plus it has all these RVs in the way, it connects, but it passes no traffic that says it's online. So let me go get this installed, and I'll see you over there. Alright, that's mounted. Now let's get the wire arranged so we can actually plug it in into the box. Let's see. Alright, get over here so we can plug it into the good old box here with all the mosquitoes that's flying around. There we go. Just like that. Close the box. Let's see if we got power on the GFI. No WISP. There used to be a wasp nest under there. All the breakers are on. Okay. Looks like it's been reset and should be good. Now, should be able to go back to the RV and see it all come online. Should be able to. Put a lock on there, and that should be all she wrote on this one. That's what I like about programming them before we get here. Pretty much you just mount, point, and it turns on. So let's go see if it actually lights up. It should. Come all online. Connected to that AP over there. Should be it. The AP is right over here. New tower. So go be sure it's all active and activate their account. Log into it. Probably going to have some firmware updates, probably for the air cube, possibly the CPE. Don't take much to install. After you find and figure out little things that you can do, little tricks that you can do to speed up the process, like for me, sit in my RV and drink coffee while I program the equipment before I get there, in which I'm going to take all the equipment and move it to, come on, don't make me have to use two hands. I will move all the equipment to my home and studio so I can really start working on this RV, get all that stuff out of my way. I can program it there just as easy as I can here. Because I caught myself plenty of times leaving my house, had to come here to program it to go somewhere else. Why not just have it all at the house in the studio, program it and go where I need to go? Because I'll always be at the house, not always here at my RV. So let's go see if we can get this up and running. Well, we have the account activated, got his monthly plan put in, which showed screen, but it's too much personal information on the client to be able to do that. But it looks like everything is working. We're going to do a speed test on his air cube from here and see exactly what we get. He's supposed to have 25 down. So we're going to see if we get the 25 on the air cube. The link up and down looks real good. Let's see, air cube. Let's see, speed test. Let's see if we can get the 20. He's in lot 20 and he's supposed to have that speed, and I do believe he got it. Let's see if we can get 2 up. He's got his 25 down. See if he can get his 2 up. I think he's got that too. That looks successful to me. 29.7 down, 3.61 up. I can deal with that. See you in the next one.